Hey there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with risemarketinganddesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, I don't do any, actually, not usually. I never do any unboxings on my channel. But today I have a really big box to open up, and I've been trying to plan things out so that I can, film this. And I wanted my family to be there, but then you got teenagers, and this one has to go here, this one has to go there. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna film it just between us, and to see exactly what is inside this very big box that was sent to me by Builderall. So before I get into it, let me show you the size of the box that they sent me. Okay? So here it is. Oh my God, it's so big. I don't want to show my address, but it's a pretty big box, and it says fragile on it. All right. So in this video, we're going to unbox this together and see what is inside. And then I kind of know what's inside of it, but I haven't seen it in person. So I am going to unbox this, and I'm going to share some of my thoughts with you as we do that. So if you want to see me unbox this very big special box, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with risemarketinganddesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so I know what's in this box. I've seen pictures of it. I've seen it in a Zoom, but I haven't seen it in person, so I'm going to open it with you guys. But before I do, how do I set this up? Before I do, when I show you what's in this box, I want you guys to understand. Let me put the box down. I want you to understand that what this box represents is more than what you are about to see, okay? And it's funny because today we did an ambassador meeting, and our friend Chris Chesar, he was talking about how Builderall has changed his life, and how because Eric noticed him and he saw that he had value and he was helping people out in the community, and then he was helping people that Eric pointed him out, and because he did that, it literally changed his life. From then he got the boost of confidence that he needed to, go out there and really build this business and all that stuff. And I was like, that story, I can relate to it because that's a lot like my story. Now, today is November 6, 2020, and I started Builderall, which is the all-in-one digital marketing platform that I'm an affiliate with, and that has helped me build my own business as far as selling my own digital products and things like that, okay? I started my journey with Builderall on March 2018. Okay, so we're going on 3 years. Never thought, 3 years. It's been crazy. And some of you guys have been following my journey for a very long time. And I remember one of my first videos of like documenting my results was at my 30-day period, where I was talking about, how many leads I had generated or how many people had signed up. And it was, it was just very, I've been working at this for a really long time, right? But I'll never forget, there was this one time where I was on a webinar with the company. I was observing, in the audience. And then I hear Eric say to Shelly, which is our Builderall diva, and I heard him say, I really want to bring this girl onto the leadership team. What's her name? And then Shelly was like, oh, it's probably this girl. And she started to describe another girl. He's like, no, she's good too. But no. There's this other girl. I can't remember. And then all of a sudden he goes, Barbie. And I was on the other side of that webinar thinking, Me? Little old nobody of me, little me that has been struggling for the last 8 years, going up and down, up and down. My business has been up and down, up and down. And he's actually like acknowledging me. And let me tell you guys and gals, I don't know about you, but what's typical in the online marketing space, what's typical in this industry is that nobody will give you the time of day unless you have made X amount of sales or have generated X amount of leads. You're literally, forget it. No one will give you the time of day if you haven't at least gotten like actual results in the company. I mean, leaderboards are for leaders, right? But Eric saw something in me that I didn't see in myself yet. But that was all that I needed. That was all that I needed. It was like that little stamp of approval that I needed to say, well, if he sees something in me, maybe there's something to it. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can make this happen. And between the hurricane that hit, okay, and that I was between a rock and a hard place, that I knew I had to do something to change the way things were going, and then Eric actually believing in me, I was like, maybe I can do this. Maybe I can. So I'm going to. And I'm going to make videos and videos and videos. I don't know how many I have up to this point. I think I have over 400 or 500 videos since I've started Builderall. People ask me, oh, how did you do it? Go look at my YouTube channel. Go see all the information that I've put out there. Go look at everything that I've done. Go look at my website. Go look at my funnels. Go, get on my list. Read my emails. I've been working really hard. Really hard. And with God's help too, because I do feel that there is divine alignment, divine intervention with this. It's almost like everything worked out where, I needed an opportunity like this. I had a certain strength, gift, and talent. And then the cherry on top was that Eric actually believed in me before I believed in myself. And so this award is, they know I'm a crier. So this award, this is just, a representation of my journey, and so I tell my team, that you can do this. If you get serious about what you're doing, you can, get into a business. You can, live, you can build a business that also allows you to have a life based on your strengths, gifts, and talents, and using our digital marketing tools inside of Builderall to reach more people. And if you just stay consistent, stay passionate, stay on purpose, then you can do this too. So if I can do it, if you really truly want to, you can too. You might surprise yourself. You just got to get consistent. You got to take action. You got to align with something that's aligned with your purpose, and then just put all your heart and soul into it. And yeah. So with that being said, let's open the box. Let's open it. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Let's see how we're going to do this. My address is there, so I don't want it to show. So let me go flip it over real quick so I can grab the open this up. I think I already took a picture of it, so I don't need another picture. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my God, there's some other stuff in here. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Let me get a tripod where I can get a different angle. I'll be right back. All right, I got 2 different camera angles because I don't know which one's going to work. So, oh my God, it's so cool. Okay. Let's see. First, let's see. I got a letter. Congratulations, Barbie Figueroa. I would like to personally congratulate you on this incredible achievement by becoming one of Builderall's most renowned affiliates. Oh God. Oh my gosh. My keyboard is like... Okay. All right. It is a pleasure and always will be to work side by side with you. Let this plaque, or as Eric would say, plaque, not only be an accomplishment, but also a stepping stone to your Builderall journey. The dedication, work ethic, expertise, and innovation that you brought to our community is what made you stand out. It is thanks to affiliates like yourself that make Builderall the most successful all-in-one digital marketing platform in the world. And it is the #1 all-in-one digital marketing platform in the world, in my humble opinion. Okay? To your success, Eric Salgado. Eric, you're amazing, man. I love you. Love your family. God bless you all. You guys are amazing. Aww. So sweet. Okay. So now, there's a bunch of blue stuff I'm going to have to pick up later. Yay! Okay. Oh my goodness. There's like peanuts, all kinds of stuff. So let's see. Oh my gracious. Oh, this is packed so beautifully. Okay, hold on. All right. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I'm going to put the box over here. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Okay. All right. All right, everyone. It's hard to do this by yourself. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I can't. I cannot even believe this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm getting nervous opening it. I'm getting so nervous opening it because I cannot believe this is mine. Okay, hold on. I don't want to ruin it. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not boring you guys to death. I can't even believe this right now. Whoever wrapped it did such a good job. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I can't believe it. I literally cannot believe it. Presented to Barbie Figueroa for surpassing over $100,000 in commissions. I'm a black belt affiliate. This is incredible. It's incredible. Oh my God. I can't. I gotta thank you guys too. You guys watched my videos. You guys, a lot of you signed up with me. A lot of you guys are still with me. I can't. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Shelly. Thank you, Builderall family. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. I mean, I'm just really... This is a huge, huge accomplishment. It is a beautiful... Thank you, Bobby. You did a beautiful, beautiful plaque. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm humbled. And I'm grateful. And the best is yet to come. I love you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa, Black Belt Builderall affiliate. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye. Thank you, Team Rise. I love all of you too. That's I meant when I was thanking all of you. I meant that, but thank you, Team Rise. I love you all. Bye, guys.